This is the 2008 Chrysler Aspen. Now you guys might be saying, well, why the hell, TK, why the hell are you showing us this vehicle? Why the hell are you showing us this truck? This is a completely rebuilt truck. One of the first major rebuild projects that were done at TK's garage. Everything you see from the doors, not the doors were there, but everything you see from the front up has been pretty much replaced on the vehicle as far as body panels. You'll see in the photos, which we'll include here in the video, we basically bought an entire donor vehicle, which we took all of the panels, both fenders, both of these fenders, headlights, grill, hood, all of that. Did I just scratch it? I did. Look at that. I'm a horrible owner. And I will say this, I did not paint it myself. I did take it to a shop and they did a hell of a job outside of the one little spot there where I can still see the original paint of the old color of the truck. Shout out to my dude Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds, which helped me take care of this headlight, which was giving me a pain in the ass problem. So, I don't think it's the light, man. I gotta feel it's a wire. Like it's gotta have a loose connection. Oh, the whole thing's twisting now. Yeah, it's out.
I got it out. You're gonna have to turn that off.
Turn the light off?
Yeah, because it's gonna melt the headlight assembly if I touch it with it.
Okay. You got it off?
Yeah, it's off.
All right.
Okay, so it's gonna be hot as shit.
We can switch the bulb too, so if it drops and touches something.
We'll switch the bulb and see if that makes any difference, but if not, then it's gonna be in this.
It's gonna be a wire in that wiring assembly.
How the fuck's in that hole?
It's impossible.
I got it.
I got it?
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. And the bulb's
that bulb is fucked.
Is it?
That bulb is fucked. You can see the filament.
Oh, I see it.
All loaded on it.
Oh, look at it. You can see it's all melted.
Yeah, it's fucked.
So like when you tapped it, it would work. All right, so it's literally just, is this the same one? It is. No, this one's.
That one's one of those hyper blue
colors,
so the headlights aren't going to match colors anymore.
That's all right. I don't care.
That's like the bad part.
Well, Randy, I appreciate that. That's a bitch right there.
Your hands are too big?
No, I don't know. I don't have the dexterity to feel the
Hey, you know, I can't
tabs.
feel the tips of my fingers at all.
Me either.
I have no feeling in the tips of my fingers.
I wonder why.
I got degenerative disc disease. Bulging disc that has pinched the nerves and I have no feeling.
And stubbornness all up and through.
All right.
Actually, the headlights look
Pretty problem. But overall, she's a beautiful truck. Now, this truck has the 5.7 liter HEMI motor in it. Let me give you guys a quick look at that. Now, unlike some, I actually use this nice leather seats. This is the highest optioned package of this truck that you could get for the year. So you got the wood grain, the navigation, all that good stuff. Now, some people would say, you know, you're crazy if you spent $3,000 to fix this truck. Okay. The truck has now 103,000 miles on it. So that means since we've had it rebuilt, we've put almost 3,000 miles on it. We tow vehicles with it, we do everything with it. Now I know the engine's a little dirty, but we've been on a cross-country road trip. There's the 5.7 HEMI. Everything on this thing is good. The battery's good. Everything in the airbox is good. You'll see there's no leaks coming down of oil coming from the gaskets, none. She's in impeccable condition. So I figured after a couple thousand miles of local stuff that I should load this thing up and we should take it on that cross-country trip to really test out her reliability and everything else. So we got to visit my dude Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. You may have seen me over there with this truck, and I just missed picking up a vehicle that we bid on. They waited too long until we left town, and big major salute to my dude Randy for taking care of that for me until I come back that way. So this is the Aspen right here. It has all kinds of features. One of my favorite has to be this, you know, for you fat lazy people out there like me. I love this feature right here. Just pop in the door. We call it the Soccer Mom Express. You know, this is basically just a Dodge Durango fully optioned out with some luxury features that Chrysler built. That's all it is. But I have to say, it's probably one of the nicest SUVs I've had in a long time. Rides like a champ on the road, 85, 90 miles an hour on the highway. You wouldn't even know it. And that 5.7 Hemi is an absolute beast. Now, let me get started and show you kind of some of the stuff around the truck, and then you guys can let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put the before and after photos. Like, you already see what it looks like after, but I'm going to put the before photos in. So she basically took a really hard hit to the right front, and it pushed everything over. Buckled both sides of the fenders, did a little damage to the driver's door, which they were luckily able to fill that in and just paint it and make it look better. We ended up buying an entire another Chrysler Aspen. So when I say that the repair cost was $3 grand, it was because we bought a donor vehicle that had a clean title, and you can see the panels we took off of it here because that's what's left of it. And stay tuned, we're gonna put this one back together in a step-by-step video, and we're gonna get rid of it. Or maybe I already did it, I don't know. Stay tuned. And this was one of the first things I did. I didn't really get into videoing it. It kind of, like, between this and I'd say maybe the BMW, the E39 530i rebuild are kind of what kind of pushed me to doing car rebuilds. So let me give you guys a brief, should I do it? I don't know. It does have some Jeep pedigree. Fuck it, let's do it. All right, so because this thing does have that Jeep pedigree, she is a four-wheel drive, as you can see here. There's 103,205 on the clock. We are in BFE, Arizona. You can see the Audi over there in the distance. Let's just, for S's and giggles, throw her in drive. And you can see here, nice wood grain steering wheel. Feels so good in the hands, man. It just does. You know, it does truck things. Not only is it a luxury vehicle, but it's a truck. It's literally a truck, and that's what I like. Like, I'm not saying the Navigator is not a truck, but I dare to say, I'm gonna go up here. Look at that. I dare to say this is more of a truck than a Navigator. That's just my personal opinion. Runs like a champ, drives like a champ. Sound system in here is great. You know, everything's lined up, alignment and everything is good on this truck, and it's a truck, so you can do stuff like this. Oh, look, that's a curb. We're gonna roll this way though. Off the curb we go. Da 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 da. Anyways, there you have it. I just wanted to give you guys kind of like my first, you know, or your first introduction to this truck. You'll see a lot of it on the channel as we'll be pulling. This is basically going to be the West Coast truck, as we'll be leaving it out here on the West Coast to pull vehicles to and from Copart that we pick out on the West Coast. And you'll see a lot more of the Silverado out on the East Coast. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Look at the snow out there in the mountains. We're going to get on the highway. Let me give you a little example of what the power of this thing can do. Do you hear that Hemi? When I said she runs like a rape tape, this thing runs like a rape tape. Look at that Hemi. She's gone, man. Not 60 seconds, you know, but gone. There it is. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the Chrysler Aspen, and if you've had one of these and your thoughts on Chrysler motors. I know I've been getting a lot of flack for saying that Chrysler motors suck, specifically the 3.7 V6 and the 4.7 V8. I just had bad experiences with them. You know, maybe you've had a good experience with them. I don't know. For me, it's the 5.7 Hemi or the 6.1 Hemi or nothing. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.